Hey everyone, it's Daniela, TallGirlDani, and in this video I'm just going to show you how I styled my flat twist updo. So as you can see here, I ended up pinning it up into this chic little style, which was very simple and easy to do, and I got a lot of compliments. So this is old at this point, my hair is frizzy, but you know, I don't care about that. So in another video, someone asked if I could show how I seal my ends, so I thought that this was a good opportunity to do that, and also just show you how my twists have been holding up. So what I'm going to be using is Rooted Treasures traditionally made organic Jamaican black castor oil, and I just pour a tiny little bit of this oil in the cap. A little of it goes a long way. So I dip my finger in the cap and I simply take some of the oil and I twirl it around the ends of my twists. So I had mentioned that I went 8 months without getting a hair trim, and honestly I didn't have that many damaged ends, and I feel that this is part of the reason. So what I do, especially when I have my hair in 2-strand twist, is I simply take some of the oil and wrap it around my ends and coat my ends, sealing them. And I feel like that little extra step has been helpful in helping me to minimize split ends and prevent damage. So it's been working for me. I'm going to continue to do it, especially now that I have fresh ends. So with some of the oil that's left over, I'm just going to give myself a little scalp massage. So a little of this oil really does go a long way. It is very potent, unlike other black castor oils that I've used, so you don't need a lot. You can take a little bit and rub it on your fingertips. So if you are giving yourself a scalp massage, it's important to just rub it on your fingertips. You don't need it all over your hands, because it's your finger pads, the pads on your fingertips, that are going to do the best job of providing that circulation, massaging it into your scalp. So I just make sure to put it between the parts and really massage it in. And that's pretty much it. I don't use a lot, and I should do this every day, but I don't. I do this when I can think about it, or when I feel like my hair is dry, or just, you know, when I remember. And honestly, just doing it that way, I feel like it's been helpful. And I just wanted to note too that I can already see, because my twists have gotten loose over the time that I've had them in, you can actually see some growth coming in, because they weren't like that originally. And yeah, so that's it. This has been super duper easy. I might pin it up again, or I might just let them hang out. When I let them hang out, I do usually pin the tops down to make them lay down a little bit flatter than what you see now. And to preserve my twist, I take my satin scarf and I fold it in half like a triangle and just tie it directly over the twists. It's been really super simple. Making sure to tie your hair at night is really important in maintaining your hair and preserving a style. And I don't use a bonnet for the flat twist because I need it to stay still and not move when I sleep. So that's basically it. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.